Good afternoon. I'm Ann Katzoff of Ask Design. Welcome to today's tutorial, How to Clone WordPress Blocks. There are a couple of ways to clone blocks in WordPress: duplicate and copy. Whether you are editing or writing a new post or page, you can clone existing content and then modify it for a new situation. In this tutorial, we'll explore the two methods and provide examples of when to use them. Let's start with the duplicate method. When you duplicate a WordPress block, a copy of it gets placed directly below the original block. You can then edit the duplicated block as needed. So I will simply select this block and let's go up to the toolbar, find those three dots where the options are, and click on duplicate, and you can see an exact replica of it. Now, if I want to select more than one block, I just hold the Shift key down, go back to the toolbar, the options again, and duplicate. It's as simple as that. Continuing with the duplicate method and going through the list view instead of the toolbar. So we'll go to these three horizontal lines, brings you to the document overview. Open that up. Make sure the list view tab is revealed, and you can select a group of blocks or an individual block within a group. Let's try the whole group. Select it. There are the three dots in the list view, same as up in the toolbar, but now we're sticking with the list view. Click on those three dots and then duplicate, and you've got an exact duplication of that group of blocks. Now let's talk about the second method, which is to copy a block or a set of blocks. What distinguishes copy from duplicate is that you can copy something and then paste it anywhere on the site. So when you copy a WordPress block, its content gets placed into your clipboard. And that's what enables you to then paste it anywhere on your site, on an entirely different page or post, or maybe the same post that you're working on, and perhaps even an entirely different WordPress site, although I'm not 100% sure of that. So if you are, please leave a comment and let us know for sure. So let's go through the steps for that. I'm going to copy just this head. I'm putting my cursor anywhere in that block. Up in my toolbar, searching for those three dots, and then I'll copy, and I'll scroll down a little bit. Let's say right here, I will paste it right there. And again, just like with the duplicate method, we have option number 2 through the list view. Let's open that up. 3 horizontal bars, list view tab. Let's find this section. If I click on it, you can see as I click over here on the content area, it shows up in the list view. So sticking with option number 2, list view, let's go to those three dots, which are the options for the heading. We'll copy and then move it down here, let's say, and we can paste it right there. And just like any block or set of blocks, you can move the cloned WordPress blocks. Once you've selected the blocks that you want to move, there are 4 methods at your disposal. You can press the up or down arrow in the toolbar. So let's copy this. Okay, let's actually duplicate it. And then up in the toolbar, you can move it down or up. Okay, and you can also click and drag if your toolbar is situated in a certain way. Hold on. like so. I just went to my overall page options and change my settings so that my toolbar is floating above the block, and you can move things that way. That's a little bit more difficult for me. I don't find I'm as comfortable doing it that way, but you do what you're comfortable doing. And then the set of 3 vertical dots, move to, and then you can select an area like right there, and I think it goes up to this spot, something like that. Obviously, I'm not very good at that. And then the copy and paste method also works, but in the list view, I like the list view a lot for moving Gutenberg blocks up and down right there. Okay. I like that a lot. So that, my friends, is the tutorial for today, cloning WordPress blocks. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below, and any feedback or insights that you may want to share, I'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much. Take care.